Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make a rotating DNA model. So let's start by looking at the components that are required for the DNA model. We have used toothpicks to represent the hydrogen bonds in DNA. We are coloring them as per our choice, so there's no restriction on color selection. For the nitrogenous bases, we are using paper straws. Cut them into 1-inch pieces and color them as you like. Next, we need a central axis. For that, we have attached 2 popsicle sticks and color them as per our choice. As you can see here, this serves as the imaginary central axis of the entire DNA model. These are the nitrogenous bases: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. Now, for the sugar and phosphate groups, we have used thermocol balls and small wooden beads. Toothpicks are again used for the hydrogen bonds. Here, 3 hydrogen bonds are between guanine and cytosine. We have used a bit of glue to stick them firmly together. So this one is guanine and this one is cytosine. Next, we have 2 hydrogen bonds between adenine and thymine. So, our nitrogenous bases are connected through hydrogen bonds. We needed some support to attach these hydrogen bonds to the central axis and to form the helical structure. For that, we have used a heat shrinking tube, which you can easily find at any nearby hardware shop, or there are many available on online platforms also. So even after shrinking it to the central axis that we have created, it can still easily be rotated. Next, we have a wooden bead representing the sugar, which is attached to the nitrogenous base, and a thermocol ball representing the phosphate group. We have colored them, and you can see that we have painted one side of the beads black to show the direction of the strands, which is 5 prime to 3 prime on one side and 3 prime to 5 prime on the other side. To show its rotation, we have used a part of my daughter's broken toy. It was a battery operated rotating galaxy nightlight. Quite a big name. We have made a few adjustments to place the axis on top of it. To give it proper support and a stable base, we have used a wooden plyboard that we already had at home. You can see how we have fixed it to support the model. Once it's placed upright, it still needs some support from the top as well. So this pen was dismantled, reshaped accordingly and fixed at the top. So please make sure to work with proper measurements so that the model remains stable and you don't face any issues later on. As you can see in the video, I have painted the stage and our DNA model has turned out beautifully. Even my daughter and kittens couldn't resist checking it out.
Hello friends, I'm Avika. This is a rotating DNA model.
Guys, do let us know in the comments below how you like the model. We'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.